Hi, I'm Roberto Musso. I'm the Technical Director at NDI, and we are here at InfoComm 2026. And what we are showing here is something new coming with NDI 6.4. One of the most interesting features is what we call the spreadsheet codec, because in NDI we are announcing a new codec format, HEVC-444, that will be publicly available in the SDK during the summer. And so this is a new codec that is designed to provide a better quality for picture like screen capture or a spreadsheet or text. So very interesting. We are showing this demo here at InfoComm, but we will release this in the next version of the SDK.